Gusto mo harasin mo lang ako. Kasi matapang ka lang naman, we have the position pero kung suntukan tayo, aram ko makaya, bita. Ganun lang. But you're a coward. You are nothing without your position. Sa totoo lang. And nagmamatalinuhan ka lang, yan lang talaga ginagawa mo. May 3-minute response ka, may nakaabang na dyan. Nakita ka talaga ng media. Kawawa ka naman, sa totoo lang. Okay na yan. Yung 3-minute response mo, prove it. Prove it to the Navaban News. So sabihin, kayo PNP. So sabihin nyo, hindi na safe ang Davao. So ano? Ako ba ang polis o kayo? Kung sa index, ang Davao City is third to Chiang Mai in Southeast Asia, why cannot you maintain that? If you cannot maintain that, that means you're not doing your job. That means the PNP is not doing their job. O nangyari yun, who is to blame? Ako o ikaw? Yung back to you mo, hindi ka na nga sumagot ko. Sarap talaga awayin. Totoo lang.
Use. Kung yan ang gusto niya, madaling pagbigyan yan. Boxing na lang para madaling set up. At gawin natin this coming Sunday, 9 o'clock. I'll be there in Araneta. I'll ask Araneta to set up a boxing ring. Hopefully, they will. They will oblige. Kung wala naman, di maghanap tayo ng kung saan gym ang gusto niya. Pero you know, tama-tama. Dahil marami ang nasa lanta ngayon ng bagyo at baha. Maybe we can use this moment or this opportunity for to raise funds in a charity boxing match. This coming, kung para mabilis, this coming Sunday sa Araneta, 12 rounds. Pwede. 12 rounds susundukan para maganda.